Hey ladies, doing a video here for our team series on some tips that are helpful for you. So it's very important to make sure that you are communicating back and forth with your customers, because every time you're on Facebook and you are scrolling through your feed, you need to be commenting. For example, somebody posts a picture of their family. Don't just like it, you need to say, gorgeous picture. If somebody puts a recipe that you like, you should say, oh, yummy. You know, whatever you're posting on, Facebook recognizes that, and it all has to do with algorithms, like I've talked in the past before. And they see that you two are friends and you communicate back and forth, so they're going to let, when you go to post in your groups about your selling stuff, or if you're posting a lifestyle post like on your main Facebook page, it recognizes you guys are friends, right? Because you're commenting, and then usually that's going to give them a response to you, so you're communicating back and forth. So always make sure, even if you haven't seen the person in 10 years, and plus, I mean, not just thinking in an algorithm way, I just obviously do these videos for business, but I mean, you're making their day too, commenting on their posts rather than just liking. Because think about it, if somebody likes your post and you have 50 likes, are you really going to look through it at all 50 names? No. So you're not even going to know. You might be happy because you have 50 likes of your family picture, but really, for it to be more personal, you need to be responding. So anyway, back to the algorithm part. When you're in the business world here with Selling Unique, you want to be communicating with people. Okay, so just make sure that you're remembering to do that. Okay. Another tip, in your group unique pages, you can change the name, which will shoot it through their feed again. For example, if you're doing a party and it's called Jennifer's The Bomb Lashes. If it's, say, the last day of the party, if you change it to, you know, her last day, the bomb party, then it's going to put it through everybody's feed again, so it kind of reminds them, oh, last day, I need to order. So that's another tip. And something I've been noticing lately with some of the girls on my team is it should say on your Facebook page that you are a unique presenter. At the top of your page, you know, it has photos and friends and, you know, what your job is and where you live and things like that. And it's fine to not put where you live. It's fine, you know, to keep stuff like that private if that's what you want to do. But you need to put under job title or something that it says you are a unique presenter. And the reason for that is you want people to know that you sell unique. And you'd be surprised how, if you haven't seen anybody in a while, like say that person from high school that friends you, and they want to check up on you and see how you're doing. Well, they're looking at your occupation. They're looking at, you know, all that kind of stuff. They're looking at your pictures. So make sure it says in there, unique presenter. You know, you can even put your website on there too, so that they can see that if they go to look. And then don't be shy asking for referrals. That's a big thing. You know, private message people when you're saying, hey, you know, did you know I was selling unique? You can also say, you know, tell your friends about me. If it's something that you think they would like, you know, tell your friends about me. I would love to help them out. So anyway, just some tips today for our team series, and rock it out, ladies.